Hey everyone, as you can see, we're not really fishing today. It's actually really cold in Denmark since my last fishing trip. It's minus 10 degrees and there's snow on the ground, and we're at the local park today and hoping to see some horses, some deer, some birds, and brought my still camera today and hoping I'll get some nice photos. So let's go find some deer. I've been walking for half an hour now and I haven't spotted anything yet until now in this open flat area. There's a patch of small woods. There's a whole bunch of deer sitting there resting. So hopefully we can get close enough to get some photos and some videos. So there you have it, we finally found some Danish deer, but we only found one species of three that are found in this local park. There are actually red deer, sika deer and fallow deer in this park, and I think the ones we saw were actually sika deer, which is the smallest species of them all. Originally we were going to look for all three species, but it's actually snowing quite heavily now and it's getting quite cold. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we have 1 hour daylight left, so we're going to make our way back to the car. So perhaps we'll come back another time. This might be the last video before Christmas, so season's greeting everyone, and we'll check back after the big turkey feast.